Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me. Capy, Cali, and Cavin, three curious and adorable capybara friends from the peaceful planet Capyzenia, are on a whimsical Earth adventure. The trio sets out to create their own bubble tea, learning through hands-on experiments and teamwork just what tastes right for them and others. Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together A Cup of Happy Capybara Bubble Tea, written and illustrated by Helenhwu, and see what teamwork and creativity can do.
Hi, I'm Capy.
I'm Cavin.
I'm Cali.
So cute. On the distant planet of Capyzenia, capybaras live peaceful, happy lives. Three curious friends, Capy, Cali, and Cavin, loved exploring and learning about other planets. One day, they heard about a famous Earth drink called bubble tea.
The bubbles look nice and chewy.
I bet it's packed with flavor.
Let's learn to make our own bubble tea.
They stepped through a shimmering portal among the stars and found themselves in a lush meadow on Earth.
We'll bring back a cup of happy for everyone,
the capybaras cheered. The three friends began their first batch of bubble tea.
Bubble tea is usually made with milk and tea, Capy noted. But since we love grass, let's make a special Capyzenia recipe.
Great idea, Capy. That sounds delicious, Cali agreed.
A true capybara creation,
Cavin laughed. The three friends poured in lots of fresh grass juice.
Oh no, it's bitter. Yikes! Let's fix the mix.
They measured, poured, and stirred, then added a dash of milk and a little extra grass juice. They gave it a quick taste, added another splash of milk, and stirred again. After a few more tweaks, they got the mix right, smooth and fresh, with a hint of earthy flavor.
But something still feels plain, Capy mused. What if we made it more colorful?
Cali's eyes lit up. What about ubi for a sweet purple twist? Cavin nodded eagerly.
That sounds perfect. Let's try it.
With a swirl of ubi, the tea transformed into a creamy and vibrant treat. The friends felt one step closer to the perfect cup of happy.
That looks yummy.
Now we need pearls, Capy said. They experimented with sizes. Tiny pearls slipped through the straw too fast, and huge pearls clogged it up. They played with boiling times. Boiled too short, the pearls were too hard. Boiled too long, they turned mushy. Finally, they made the perfect pearls, chewy and just the right size.
Yummy.
Capybara bubble tea was ready.
It's absolutely perfect.
A cup of happy.
Let's share it with everyone.
A turtle wandered by. Curious about the new drink, he took a sip but made a funny face. Could you make it fruity? The turtle said. I like strawberries the best. The friends felt a bit disappointed. Grass and ubi were their favorite flavors. But they agreed to add a splash of strawberry juice and top it with chopped strawberries. The turtle took a slow, happy sip.
It's perfect.
A bunny hopped over. She sipped the bubble tea and wrinkled her nose.
It's not sweet enough,
she complained. Not sweet enough? The capybara friends wondered in surprise. Determined to fix it, they added a spoonful of honey, a dash of caramel, and some chocolate sprinkles for an extra sweet touch. The bunny's frown turned into a bright smile.
It's perfect!
A duckling waddled up and asked,
Can I drink bubble tea while I swim?
The friends scratched their heads. Cali tried making a twig boat for the cup, but it wobbled and tipped over. Cavin placed the cup on a lily pad, but it was too heavy and sank into water. Then Capy had an idea. She put the cup into a little floaty. Way to go, problem solvers. The duckling quacked happily.
It's perfect! Thank you, capybaras!
Aww. Brimming with excitement, the capybara friends dreamed up even more flavors. Berry breeze, minty meadow, yum yutsu, twist twig, and other wild, wonderful options. They also crafted cups and containers in every shape and size. Tiny cups for little paws, wide cups for big beaks. The animals around the meadow were soon savoring their own cup of happy. Each drink was made just right for them. What's better than one cup of bubble tea? I wonder. A whole planet of happy bubble-sipping friends. With hearts full of joy, Capy, Cali, and Cavin waved goodbye to their Earth friends. It was time to bring their bubble tea home to Capyzenia and share it with all the capybaras. Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed a cup of happy capybara bubble tea, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. The author has even included fun facts about capybaras and a special bubble tea recipe for kids, too. If you enjoyed my Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.